welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Transporters threaten to stop supply of essential commodities to Goa, demand rollback of entry tax. 15 days ultimatum given to government. No toll for goods transporters for next 15 days. Bicholi MLA Naresh Savar exposes mortgage property scam of Goa State Cooperative Bank. Minister Dhavrikar ready for CBI probe. CM assures to put culprits behind the bars. Goa Mining People's Front to protest at Jantar Mantar on 25th and 26th April. Christopher Fonseca demands 5,000 crores package. Power Minister says outsourcing meter readers for 1 year will ease billing crisis. No power shedding in Goa. And Goa Athletic Association praises standard and speed of work of laying synthetic track at Pede. Now the news in detail. Transporters from neighbouring states have threatened to stop supply of essential commodities to Goa if entry tax is not rolled back within 15 days. Delegation from chambers of Maharashtra and Karnataka met the Chief Minister and Transport Minister Sudhin Dhavrikar on Tuesday. Parrikar has assured that there won't be any entry toll on these goods till next 15 days. Sudhin Dhavrikar says Goa is not fully dependent on neighbouring states, so there is no need to worry.
Belgaum Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Kolhapur Lorry Operators Association, Belgaum Vegetable Traders Delegation and All India Motor Transport Congress members met the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar on Tuesday. They have opposed entry tax levied by the state government for vehicles entering Goa from neighbouring states. They have asked the government to exempt them from entry tax. They have given an ultimatum of 15 days to the government to roll back entry tax.
आज गोवा स्टेटनं हा कर आकारला. एका ट्रकला, लहान ट्रकला 500 रुपये, मोठ्या ट्रकला 1000 रुपये. आम्ही देशभराचा ऑल इंडिया परमिट टॅक्स भरतो. आम्ही होम टॅक्स भरतो आमच्या स्टेटचा. 2 टॅक्स भरून रस्त्यावर चालण्यासाठी भरतो. आणि हे भरून सुद्धा तुम्ही जर तुमच्या राज्यात येण्यासाठी जर परत एंट्री टॅक्स द्या म्हणून सांगत असाल तर ही पद्धत चुकीची आहे. हा डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन चुकीचं आहे. हाच आदर्श चांगला आदर्श घेतला तर ठीक आहे, परंतु हा वाईट आदर्श इतर राज्यांनी घेतला तर देशभर त्याचे पडसाद उमटतील.
भाजी आता आम्हाला 15 दिवसाची तर आकारणात नाही आहे. टॅक्स आकारणात येत नाही म्हणून सांगितलंय. त्यासाठी तेपर्यंत आम्ही पाठवणारच, कारण रहित लोकांचं, किसान लोकांचे ते मरतात. ते भाजी पाठवणार. आता जाऊन आम्ही मीटिंग घेणार. कन्सेशन दिले तर रेग्युलर येणार, नाही तर स्ट्राईकवर जाणार.
The delegation also met Sudhin Dhavrikar. Dhavrikar said Goa is not fully dependent on neighbouring states for essential commodities and he would look into the matter.
Entry tax decision is taken by the cabinet body to implement in Goa state. So I have to move anything to the finance department before taking any decision on it. Goa is not fully dependent on that.
The delegation also met the Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry. They have asked GCCI to intervene in the matter. Meanwhile, Sudeep Tamadkar has filed a criminal complaint with the Vigilance Department against Minister Sudhin Dhavrikar. He claims entry tax imposed by the Goa government to be illegal.
PWD Minister Sudhin Dhavrikar आणि बाकीचे PWDचे कोण पळय ऑफिशियल, संबंधित ऑफिशियल पळय येता त्या चेकपोस्टांकडे, त्या सगळ्यांचेर एंटी करप्शन ब्युरोन कंप्लेंट घालून FIR रजिस्टर करची अशी मागणी केल्या. एक्सटॉर्शन ऑफ मनी लोकांकडसून पैसे उकळपाचो प्रयत्न जाता इलिगली. आणि चीफ सेक्रेटरीक पत्र बरयला की इमिजिएटली हे स्टॉप करचे म्हणून.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari and Sushant Pad for Prudent.
Another scam has surfaced in Goa State Cooperative Bank Limited. Board of Directors sold mortgage properties at a very low cost, allegedly to siphon huge profits. The case is sub judice in High Court. Minister for Cooperation assured the House that department will go ahead with CBI inquiry if court directs so. Chief Minister confirmed that culprits behind the loot of Goa State Cooperative Bank, such as chairman and board of directors, will be put behind the bars. Bicholi MLA Naresh Savar has raised the question.
दोन पार्टी आसा, मिस्टर सिल्वेर पिनेर, ताका 1,35,58,522 रुपया लोन दिल्लें आनी तेज्या अगेन्स्ट तेजी सेक्युरिटी कितें आसा ती हांव नकळो पूण तेज्या अगेन्स्ट एक फ्लॅट आसा माननीय मंत्र्या कडल्यान कळपाक शकता की ह्या फ्लॅटाची एरिया कितली आसली.
फ्लॅट नंबर GA05 पूण हो फ्लॅट 4 लाखांक विकला. ह्या पार्टीन 25 लाखाचें लोन काडिल्लें 31/5/1994 आनी ते ताणें 5 वर्सांत भरपाक जाय आशिल्लें. त्या पार्टीन तें भरूं ना आनी आर्बिट्रेशनाक ती केस गेली. एरिया 90 स्क्वेअर मिटर. ती केस गेली आनी त्याच्या नंतर इंट्रेस्ट धरून 1,31,00,000 रुपया ओवरड्यू जाले आनी हातूंत फक्त 7 फ्लॅट आज पर्यंत 4 लाखांक विकल्या. 28 लाख रुपया रिकवर जाल्या.
पणजे मतदारसंघात आय कॅन से दॅट दिस इज एटलीस्ट 50 lakhs वर्थ प्रॉपर्टी मिनिमम.
ऑक्शन करतना सुद्दां तांणी तें सेटींग केलां. एक मिस श्रीमती फरीदा खान म्हणून तिणें एक हायकोर्टाक केस घातल्या आनी तिणें ह्या केसीत हायकोर्टात CBI इन्क्वायरी मागल्या. समज CBI इन्क्वायरी हायकोर्टान तर दिली जाल्यार निश्चितूच ती फुडें व्हरतले.
I assure that irrespective of court we will check up what is the legal procedure. आमी ना जाल्यार हाजेर केस फायल करता and we will investigate this and all those who are responsible for this definitely they will end up in jail.
Mining dependents under the banner of Goa Mining People's Front will hold 2-day protest in Delhi on 25th and 26th of April. Christopher Fonseca, General Secretary of AITUC, has demanded financial package worth 5,000 crores from the centre.
Mining dependents have decided to march on to Delhi and show off strength to seek attention of Union government on the mining crisis. About 1,000 mining dependents under the banner of Goa Mining People's Front will hold a protest on 25th and 26th of April at Jantar Mantar in Delhi.
And we are going there with the determination that we will call upon the central government and bring to the attention of the nation the tribulations and the travails and the suffering of the people of Goa, especially the mining dependent people of Goa.
Fonseca said financial package of 140 crores allocated by state government is not enough. Front's delegation will meet the Union Finance Minister P. Chidambaram to demand a financial package worth 5,000 crores.
Sarkaran 140 koti kainch nahi. That's why we are saying the central government should give 5,000 crores to the state government so they can work out viable and very good, viable schemes and viable compensation and package for the people.
Reacting on the suggestion made by the Chief Minister to mining dependents to search alternate source of livelihood, Fonseca said there is no alternate left now at this stage.
So it is very difficult for anybody to change his employment, especially in a country like India where we are not multi-skilled.
And where are the alternatives? What alternative employment do you have? If you go to the sea, there is no fish. If you go to the land, that land is also over. Where is the land available in Goa? Which Mr. Manohar Parrikar should not do daydreaming anymore. He should come to Mother Earth and realize that Goa is dependent on mining.
With video journalist Sushant Pal, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.